friends, how are you today? Are you ready for another fun eye makeup tutorial? I'm ready with my VISEART Editorial Brights palette and I am very excited to create something fun today as well. But before I go ahead and start with my eye makeup, I wanted to show you a little something extra, and today I'm going to show you how I go with my bronzer and how do I give my face a little bit contouring and definition. Alright, are you up for that? I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer. This will be the blush, the bronzer for my today's makeup look. How do I start with my bronzer? Do you see the bone structure here? Right this area. I just go a little above that area like this. It helps define the cheekbones, and I like powder bronzers. Look at that. This is the color which I usually go for, and I love this. The hollows of the cheek, that's the right word. I go little above that. Do you see the difference? Lifts the face. At least I feel so. I usually love the combination of blush, bronzer and highlight, but sometimes I just stick to my bronzer routine. So thought of sharing that with you. Hairline, and this is my favorite part, you know. I like to define the jawline. I was super excited today when I got up because this is my VISEART Editorial Brights series, and every day I'm coming up with something different, something new, something creative, something colorful, definitely. And along with that, a little extra something. Try this trick. I think you will like that. That's what I follow, and that's what works for me. And I like the finished look. A little bit on my neck, and also sometimes, yeah, right there. I like a subtle and light contouring. Sometimes I go for a very defined contouring, and sometimes I go for a light contouring. So it depends on the look, it depends on the makeup mood, and it depends on how much time do I have for contouring. Works beautifully, and it gives me a very subtle bronzing effect, so I like that. And if you want to know what am I wearing on my lips today, this is my Bobbi Brown Luxe lip color. I started with the lip color. I love the creamy feel, shine, color, everything. Usually this time of year, I gravitate towards my cream finish lipsticks because I feel that way I get a little bit hydrated lips. I still love my matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, but maybe I'm in that phase where I am gravitating towards the cream finish or shine finish lipsticks. Look at the color and the shine. Beautiful, right? And now, my friends, ta-da! So I'm going to play with 3 colors today as well. If you have watched my yesterday's video, you know I used 3 colors yesterday as well. So I don't know, maybe it is 3 colors today, 4 colors tomorrow, 2 colors some other day, but this is going to be the only palette that I am going to use to create the looks for this week. If you really like using these colors, I'm sure you will try it. So I'm going to start with my white and my yellow and this blue. Okay, sounds interesting. Do you want to see the swatches? Love the colors and love the combination, and I'm sure something interesting would come up today. I haven't tried this combination yet. This is exciting, and at the same time I feel this is quite challenging, you know. I just randomly pick colors and start creating something, and I totally enjoy it. Alright, starting with my white, and this is my Real Techniques Crease Deluxe Crease brush. and I'm going all over my lid, transition crease around my eyes, so it is kind of a base for today's look. 3 colors: white, yellow and blue. That's right. This white itself is very brightening and I love it. I started appreciating the effect of white eyeshadow after using this palette. This is really fun. So do you see that? It is already giving me a nice brightening effect. And as I mentioned yesterday, that some of my looks are going to be super colorful and some of them are going to be subtle. Now you decide whether it's a subtle look or it's a super colorful look. I leave that up to you. Okay, blending is very important and I take my own sweet time when it comes to blending, because once the color is set, it is going to look beautiful, right? And actually this does not take much effort, but I really go with a little extra blending because I like to do that. And next I'm going to use the same brush, my yellow, starting from the center of my lid but going outwards, and this is a very subtle yellow on my eyelids, and I really want a hint of yellow for this look. I love this crease brush because it is very easy to pat the color, at the same time blend with this brush. And when I really do not want a pinpointed effect, this works beautifully. Look how easy it is, just filling up the color. What's next? The blue. And how am I going to use that blue? I'll show you in a minute. Let me have my blending time. This is a very important step, and I learned it over the period of time, because earlier I never used to spend a lot of time on blending. But first of all, VISEART eyeshadows do not need much blending. On top of that, I'm spending a little bit more time on blending, so the overall effect is beautiful. That's the point here. Okay, so what do we do with our blue? I think I'm going to take it to a different direction, using the blue with my brow brush. Definitely not on my brows today. I'm going to line with this beautiful color. Do you see that? The lovely liner effect. Yeah. And I definitely did not plan to do so, and that's the fun part for me, the surprise element. Looking nice? Definitely. And how about taking that blue and going over my lower lash line as well, because anyways I'm going to do that. You are definitely aware of some of my staple steps, right? And if you're not, keep watching my videos and subscribe if you really enjoy watching these videos, because that way you get a notification, and every time I upload a video, which is usually 4 to 5 times a week, because I love making these makeup videos and I would love to see your comments, your suggestions, your encouragement, and that will help my channel to grow, and that will help me connect with all of you. Makeup lovers, I'm talking to you. Alright, shall I show you another trick? This is my brow brush, and this is a setting mist. Now I'm going to dampen the brow brush. All the product details are mentioned in the description box, so if you are interested in knowing what I am wearing today on my face, on my lips, on my eyes, you can check the description box. You know that, right? Okay. And now I'm going to use that dampen brow brush and I'm going to dip that into my color. And there is another mirror because I really need to go over that liner one more time. This brush is a little stiff, so that way it really helps, you know, when I want to use my eyeshadows as my liner. And a closer look. Alright, nice. The fun part of playing with eyeshadows. You can use it as your liner and as your overall eye makeup, right? And I am going to take an extra step because I am really enjoying that blue liner look today and going over that blue liner one more time because really want to make it a little bit thick right here. Yeah, my friends, it is just a placing the color motion, not pulling, not dragging, just patting in a pinpointed way. So wherever I'm seeing some gaps, I'm filling in the color and I'm pretty happy. Last but not least, with my shadows, dipping my brush into that white and yellow, tapping off the excess and going all over that crease, transition, lid to just give it a nice yellow white pop. You can say that it is a cleaning up, touching up action here. I really enjoy sharing these looks and makeup conversations with all of you. That's it with the shadows. Enjoying this look a lot. So I'm going to skip the liners today. Yes. Curling my lashes. Okay. Gently and carefully, giving it a couple of seconds. Wasn't this easy and fun? Now couple of coats of mascara, okay? Because I really want my lashes to stand out, and black mascara is going really well with this blue liner. This wiggling motion always helps. Yeah, this way you can see some lashes on my lower lash line as well, because they are there. Mascara helps them stand out. Do you want a tutorial on how to apply mascara? This came into my mind. If you want, let me know in the comment section. I can create a video on how to apply mascara. This is by far my most used mascara, and sometimes I just mix two mascaras for a more dramatic effect. I like that too. You know, did you watch my black and white eye makeup tutorial? It was pretty intense and dramatic, and I really enjoyed that look as well. You can watch it and I'm sure you will like it. What do you think about this look? I think it's very exciting and it was fun, very quick, right? So try this look and let me know about your makeup experiences, and I will share another fun eye makeup tutorial tomorrow. It is coming up, yes, and what colors I don't know yet, but I'm pretty sure that it is going to be awesome. Rock the look, enjoy your day, have fun with your colors. Bye for now.